Hey guys, how's it going? So I want to go ahead and show you my black ground cover. This one here is a, I think it's like 300 feet roll, and whew, I'm winded. We've been working in the garden, and so I kind of wanted to go ahead and show this to you. So this one here is 12 feet long. Each line will actually indicate 1 foot. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 feet. And I've used some staples to go ahead and hold it down. They look like this. So wanted to go ahead and show that to you. So using staples to go ahead and hold it down, and basically what you'll do is you'll take your staple and you'll put it right at the end here, and then you'll go ahead and hammer it down. This is pretty much a weed barrier. This will prevent any grass from coming through. This is great for commercial greenhouses, fantastic for nurseries. You can use it under your landscaping if you want to, but I use it in my garden. And what I will do is I will cut holes where I'm going to go ahead and plant my plants. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do 2 of these, one here and possibly one here. And let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on the other side. So we've already tilled the garden, we fertilized it, put in some manure and all that kind of stuff, but let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on the underside. Basically it just looks like that. I mean, there's no edging or anything like that. There's a couple of frays, but I've used this for probably about 15 years now, and I just took off my old ground cover that I had here in my garden, and went ahead and I'm replacing with this brand new stuff, and that one there lasted about 10 years. So this stuff is extremely heavy duty. It's almost like a really thick tarp. You can see the weave that is in it, and how tightly that is. So just wanted to go ahead and show that to you, because this is something that I have used every single year, like I said, for quite some time. And if you don't like weeds, this stuff will definitely do the trick.